So a problem string, I did one of them this morning, the 7 times 8, 7 times 80, 7 times 79, that kind of string. It's a string or series of problems intended to build relationships in the learner's mind so that strategies, models of big ideas, become natural outcomes. So it's less about direct teaching a strategy, and it's much more about building relationships and connections so that things sort of become natural that kids do. Now, we still then solidify it at that point. So it's not like, oh, naturally they're all just like brilliant, like wizards. We still have to, there's some distinct work that has to be done, but I'm going to suggest that very little of it is direct teach. And the only thing that I'm going to direct teach in a problem string is something that's social knowledge, by convention, things we deem to be so, like notation maybe, or vocabulary. Let me give you an example of that in just a sec. So I believe that math is figure out a ball. That's always going to be my first slide, no matter where I go. You already heard that spiel, moving on. The reason I get into high school algebra strings is because I did all this numeracy work. So if you want more information on that, down in the booth, we've got these guys moving on. Lesson structure is a specific structure that I learned about when I was doing elementary work. I find it very interesting that there's a few of us that were secondary that went back into some really interesting elementary work. You probably don't care about that, you're here for high school. The interesting part is I brought back this lesson structure, a couple other ones. But this is, I think, the inroad. If you've always been wanting to try something, but you're looking at Dan Meyer's rich tasks and you're like, whoa, that seems a bit much and uncontrolled and crazy, then may I offer you problem strings? If you're the guy that's like, no, bring on the Dan Meyer craziness, yeah, then may I offer you problem strings to do before the crazy task, to get the ideas percolating that the kids need to actually solve the task, or after you're done with the 3-act task, admit that all the kids are not necessarily really solid on the learning, and we need to solidify or cinch the learning. May I offer you a problem string? I think they are the missing link in the rich task sequencing, that if we can sequence using these little guys in between, then we can learn the math through the task.